Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today I went to Willy's Cafe. It was right next to Big House Beans, the coffee place I went to last week. Some of my coworkers did recommend Willy's Cafe and they have really good bagels. I did that at breakfast, but the eggs isn't like a fresh egg. I don't know. So I decided to get like a turkey sandwich with avocado. This is like a cheddar bun. Has turkey, avocado. So yeah. That's mayonnaise, mustard, cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion. Let's try it out. It's good. I also got a caramel coffee. I forgot with a caramel latte or something. It's pretty good. So I'm sitting in front of the Big House Beans Cafe because Willy's Cafe, bagel place, there's music, but they do have a nice outside seat, but there's music, but this is not bad. I don't know if it's my favorite. Like, I feel like the bagel should be more toasted. I mean, I meant to say more warm. It's a little bit toasted. It doesn't really taste that warm. Is that avocado? But I thought I would try some new food. New city. I don't come out here normally. It's about 30 minutes for me. So I decided to, I was actually planning to come here anyway, so I decided to like get a massage and find one in my area. And I found one in my area, I mean around here, like a few blocks from here. And yeah, guys, one of the worst massages I've ever had. So yeah, let me tell you about this massage. Well, it's pretty cheap, $68 for an hour of Swedish, which is usually massages in my area are $100 or more. So yeah, a couple things wrong with this place I didn't like. I get massages frequently. I used to be a massage therapist, so I know a lot about massages and the do's and don'ts. Yeah, so the first thing I wanted was a Swedish massage, which is supposed to be like a light to medium pressure massage. So the first 30 minutes, she was like doing some like pressure over the towel or over the sheet for like 30 minutes. And in Swedish is usually with oil. So finally she put oil on and she added some deep pressure. She did some elbow work and it was really painful. So Swedish massage is like light to medium. So that was more like a deep pressure massage. And then, so that part I didn't really like. She didn't turn me over. She only did one side, which wasn't good. And then they kept knocking at the door at the very end. I noticed that she went over maybe like 5 or 6 minutes, and they knocked on the door 3 times, and it was just really annoying, you know. And for the massage, you want something to be really relaxing. So there's a couple things I didn't like. But it's good to try new places. You know, if I really like a place, I'll go back. I still really like the one in Napa. It wasn't like the best massage, but this one I went to Napa was what pretty more. It was like 125, but it included like a back scrub. It was really nice. I like that one. So far, the best. But tried my massage at reasonable price, but nothing too expensive. It's kind of hard in the Bay Area. This bagel's okay. This isn't great. So the reason why I got this bagel, because the customer before me she basically got the same as I told her, adding avocado with this kind of bagel with the cheese on top, you know. But they were out of the cheddar garlic, which I wanted. My coworker raved about the cheddar garlic one, but I think I should have got the onion or garlic. I think the onion would have been better, but I figured she got it, maybe it might be good. It's pretty good, but not like amazing. Last time I did a video here in the same spot, a little kid was right here, singing and dancing. It was a really cute video. Let me know if you like this kind of videos where you see like background, like people walking by. I'm pretty close to a road with a lot of cars and it's kind of busy right now. I hope the cars won't be too bad. I did have a microphone this time, so maybe it won't be too bad. But I really like this coffee. It's just really good. Pretty sweet. It could be a little more stronger, but I just like the flavor. It's really good. I think I should have asked for cheese on here. There's no cheese. But that's okay, guys. We're gonna eat it anyways. Very crunchy. So tomorrow I might film a video making chicken crock pot. I'm hoping that's the plan. So if I do that, I may talk more about that. I had Thanksgiving a few days ago. So I may talk more about that. So I have to get that there. It's really windy right now. So I may talk more about that Thanksgiving in my video tomorrow. This video I can talk more about what I'm going to do today. After here, I'm going to go to the dollar store. So I wanted to go back to do my ASMR videos. I haven't filmed an ASMR video in several weeks. Several months. The videos, if you follow my ASMR, these are just older ASMR videos I pre-recorded like 6 months, a year ago. So So I really miss my ASMR. I have this idea to do like a fast, aggressive, where it's not really no talking, but you're kind of like moving things around in the camera and going back and forth, and just a lot of fast action. So I did a little bit of that when I went camping, like in nature. And as this one guy, he does on YouTube, he has an ASMR channel, and he does, he goes to the store and starts shaking things, and people in the background look at him. I might be a little bit nervous if people look at me, but I'm gonna just see if there's no music. I'm gonna try that today. I'm running in front of Big House Beans Cafe, and a lot of people are walking in to get their coffee. So yeah, I think yeah, tomorrow I went to the chicken crock pot, which will be good. And next Wednesday I might film at French restaurants. The subscriber gave me a lot of money, and I think that might be my last video. Just something different. Hopefully it'll be expensive, you know. And yeah, it'll be good. Sorry, this video's boring. There's no kid in the background senior dancing. Just kidding. It's kind of windy today, so usually when I have my little Mac right here, the wind affects the sound. I hope it doesn't happen this time. I really don't. A few more bites left.
Kept refreshing up all of these, and I was like, I have no idea who this is. It was like Project Nuclear or something like that. Project.
Last bite. All right, guys, that was pretty good. Honestly, I would probably rate that 3 out of 5 because the bagel wasn't warm at all. The turkey just tasted okay. It just tasted very like low quality turkey meat. So yeah, if you guys live in the Bay Area, I recommended a restaurant in the city. I can probably travel 30 minutes to an hour maybe. But tomorrow tomorrow I'm gonna be doing my chicken crockpot meal. I make this about once or twice a year, and I really love it. I'll do a recipe, so if you guys want to know how to make it. I'm gonna add cabbage to it too. It's gonna be potatoes, carrots. It'll be super healthy. And I'll talk more about my Thanksgiving, what I did for Thanksgiving. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.